Hello everyone and welcome to another video.
Woo!
Come on, say
Oh,
something.
we are in Bannery and we are looking for a skip.
Yeah. Are we losing time?
No.
I think we're just losing time.
What? We are
I'm not
losing
saying.
time.
Wait,
No.
did you hear me?
Yes. I don't have time to lose time. I'm on the mission.
Seriously?
Yes, seriously.
Make another video and you say that you're on a mission. Seriously now?
We are on the searching.
Seriously? Are you kidding me?
We are on a searching mission. Looking for a skip.
Seriously?
Yes, seriously.
So we're not on the main road. We just stormed in.
Have a look on the left.
There's a gate.
Oh, but it's
So
not.
now we are on the main road, as you can see.
We will check the other side.
Oh, there might be a skip.
Yeah, but that's not for us. That's not our skip. We are looking for.
I opened one.
Yeah, small
Okay.
6-yarder.
Is it taller than me?
Look out for it.
There's literally only one house, and there's no skip. Is that the only house? Is the question.
Have a look on the left.
Lefty. Eh.
See anything?
I'm looking for the camera. Nope, nothing. Look on the right. I think it's gonna be on the right. Seriously. And then the skip isn't over here. Is it on the left? No.
See over here.
Oh, here. Here. There's nothing. Dude, seriously. Or is it? We found a skip, but it's behind us.
Yeah,
Because,
we are waiting for the customers to move their cars.
yeah.
And my order says Bannery, but in fact it was Inchry, not Bannery. And that makes a big difference. So now we found it no bother. What do you think, Franek?
Yeah, no bother. No bother.
No bother, mate.
So we're outside. It's a nice sunny day, as you can see. The sun is shining on me. Just walking around. But you know, it's kind of fun making videos. What are you doing? That's what should happen. So, if it's full of fun.
See you next time. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye.
Go. Can go. Yes. Yes.
On, seatbelts on.
Safe belts! So just going off. And I wanted to show you guys where we came. So it wasn't this way. It wasn't this way. It was back there. That was the way to go. Yes. No. Yes. So now we're going off. This is a frog. Leave in the comment section, is this a frog? How many subscribers do you have again?
I think around 50.
Something around 50, but
It's okay.
do you want 100 subscribers?
Of course I want.
So subscribe so we can have 100 subscribers. And maybe a million subscribers once.
Yeah.
Can they just stop? No,
So let them pass. Because we are very kind and people are very happy. We are very kind drivers, don't you think?
Daddy is our cheat today. It's going up.
What's up? Right, we're good to go. Let's go.
Yes.
High five.
So now going to 8. Daddy's having a drink and I'm going to be having a drink too. Hello.
So let's go.
Hey. Ow.
You okay?
What are you doing? Stop it. There's a Ferguson. He's bad. I had Ferguson.
Drivers are okay.
Yeah, but the
Office
boss.
was bad.
Yeah, office is the worst, eh?
Managers were so bad, but it's over now. How's your side, Franek?
Cause. He nearly drove us into the water.
Don't you worry, young man. Don't you worry.
I'm not a man. I'm a kid.
Don't you worry, kid.
Yes. I'm going, yes.
We are just passing Koran Ferry.
Yeah.
Franek will show you Koran Ferry on the left hand side. Not yet. No, it's over there on the left hand side. It's Koran Ferry. We have 8 miles to Fort William.
We're just going through a bit what trees got come down, cut it down, but remember, whoever cuts down trees, replace them because they give us oxygen. For science.
Yes, trees are very important.
So whenever just cut down a tree, just plant it, and it will be like nothing happened.
It's in front of us.
Please!
What's going on, Franek?
Slow down. Police! I see the police. Wee, fire truck.
Oh, a biker broke down, I think. And they want to make sure that he'll be safe and go off the road. Looks like it.
Wait, do you?
Franek, they are after you because you are tricky.
If you can read this one.
Welcome to Fort William.
William, dun dun.
Road works and a nice view in front of us.
See.
And we will show you, we will take you through Fort William. How's that, Franek?
Yeah. So, the beautiful view of the sea.
It's
If you're
Loch
at-
Lini.
Yeah, Loch Lini. If you like water stuff, just go and just look at the water. Then you just see billions of dolphins.
In Fort William there is plenty of B&Bs.
B&Bs. What the heck is a B&B?
Yeah, Fort William.
What the heck is a B&B?
Bed and breakfast. So you have a room for bed and you have a breakfast the following morning. So that's a B&B, bed and breakfast. You will see a yacht club.
Yacht club. Left.
Left, yeah. See
On my side.
boats, yeah. Boats over there.
Boats.
There's not many today, I guess.
Boat in the
Plenty
boat,
of them
by the
are.
body.
Plenty of boats are out somewhere. We are in Fort William. You can see
Yeah, over there I can see goodness.
Crown restaurant. We have the underwater center.
Wait, do you want to make a video on Minecraft?
I don't know how to play Minecraft.
That's so simple. Already, dude?
What's so simple?
Play Minecraft. Start to learn.
Yeah, you have more experience than me in Minecraft.
Let's play Minecraft all my life, dude.
Not all your life.
But most.
You didn't play when you were a baby. So this is home bargains and M&S and Fort William.
Yes. It is. Do you know 2 times 100 minus 3?
What?
You know 2 times 100 minus 3?
2 times?
100 minus 3.
No, I don't know.
197.
Woo! Well done.
Did you know that all along?
Yeah, but I wanted you to show your great brain. Oh, nice river going on.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
And we have farm foods. And if you take road to the left, oh
my god. Oh my god.
Whoa.
Wait, did you go through the line?
Because we had enough time to... I didn't go through the line. No. Look in this mirror. At the top. Over here. Over the cab.
I'm filming this video now. Leave a like for Baby Yoda.
Yeah.
See you next time. Or you might see Baby Yoda.